Hi, what's going on, everyone? Today I'm going to talk about what I've learned from Near Protocol's 34% price surge ever since I did my last price prediction. You guys can see it on the chart right now for Near that the particular cryptocurrency went against my original idea. So yes, this price prediction did not go in my favor, but before I break down everything of what I've seen and what we can learn from this, make sure you guys hit that like button and also subscribe here for more content, because you're not going to get a place on this platform to where people are actually dropping price predictions and forecasts as to where they suspect prices go. Whether it's a good prediction, whether it's one that went awry, we're still here to show you that it's very possible to go ahead and predict where prices are going to go without the confusion. So make sure you guys follow me here on this platform. So now, the price prediction that we did in Near was all the way back here on September the 4th. And initially we were anticipating price to go lower in Near, and we only had a small period of time that you all can see that the market went down, right? Maybe 2 days, 3 days, to where we were in some minor profit. But outside of that, the market went higher. So on the scale, yeah, the market went against our price prediction. This price prediction did not bode well for the price action, and it will happen. But the idea of when these scenarios do happen, when it pops off, you need to ensure that you learn from it. So let's talk about what happened, or at least what point will we have known that this prediction is not on the right side. And the first clue would have been right here on this particular day, when the market in Near was trading, September the 9th, when the market in Near was trading at this sell zone. Okay, a sell zone is where we delineate, we expect to see more sellers than buyers. And on September the 9th, the market came to that particular sell zone, and it hit there, and it stayed there for September the 10th and even on the 11th. These 3 days were opportunities for us to say, okay, hold on. We're at this sell zone. So the reaction that we're looking for is for price to go down, right? And when you don't see in 3 days the market in Near not going lower, that tells you that apparently those sellers are not there. Or if anything, the buyers are beating them. And then on top of that, on September the 9th, we had that buy signal triggered in our software, telling us that the market was gaining momentum and strength. So those two things was giving us clues that you might want to come in and readjust your idea. That's it. Because after these 3 days, the market in Near, even though it came down on September the 14th through the 16th, the market is still revealing its stance of being strong, of being bullish. So yes, this price prediction did not go in our favor, but what we learned from it was that we can tell the market gives us ample amount of opportunity to come in and change your thesis, your idea, and get on the right side of the market. These were the 3 days that we had opportunity to do that. And not only that, the market came back down to that area on the 15th and the 16th to pick you up and let the market ride to higher prices. So now, what do we suspect the market in Near is going to do now? Let's look at the market first by getting rid of these sell zones here. You can now tell today and yesterday that the market in Near is trying to break this next sell zone, which is around 458 to 450. Will they be it? Will they be successful? And I'm talking about the buyers. I'm trying to figure that out. Here it is on the 2-day time frame. Okay. Here is Near on the 3, Near on the 4-day chart, Near on the 5-day time frame. Now you begin to see something. Do you see it? What happened on the last 5-day bar? Look at that. That's a very good 5-day bar there. So in the next 5 days, the idea would be, okay, cool. Apparently the buyers are controlling the price. We will look for price to continue to go up. If anything, maybe come and tag this next sell zone. It is on the wiki chart right now. What do you think about this? I think this sell zone right here in Near Protocol is a very strong sell zone, because right here on this weekly bar, we got this indication of strength, but then immediately the next week became all the way right back down. So if the market in Near is going to tag this sell zone, I'll just be prepared to see some increased volatility and even some price movement down. Here it is on the 2 weeks. Okay, very good. You guys can see that people thinks that whenever price makes a massive move down, they believe that it's cheaper. And they come in and buy it because on this 2-weekly price bar, what happened the next 2 weeks? Near came right back up. This 2-weekly price bar, what happened the next 2 weeks? It's coming right back up, right? But all in all, the trend isn't changing. Like, it's not really revealing that buyers are controlling the price. We're still trending down. So yes, people are trying to come in and purchase and support near, but it's not to the point to where we're starting a bullish trend. We're still trending down. Okay, so don't get caught up into thinking that, oh, the market here in near is bullish, because we're still trending down. So don't get caught up on these great 2-weekly price bars to where the market reverses and come right back up. That could be very deceitful. What about near on the 3? And here on the 5? And then again on the monthly chart. Okay. So yes, currently the market is bullish. I mean, no doubt about it. But in terms of how strong is this bullishness, we might just come back to this next sell zone. If not, hit the current one and begin to come back down. 330-minute chart, you guys can see that the sellers are still here at this first sell zone. So what would you want to do in this situation? We always got 3 options. We can either buy, we can either sell, or we can just chill out until we get more confirmation as to what the market price action really wants to do. It all depends on your time preference. Okay. Time preference is very important. Like if you're looking at the market in near on the 5-day chart, you might have a small spat to where the market can go up. If you're looking at it on a 2-weekly chart, you might want to put this on pause, put it on ice, and come back and see, okay, who's actually correcting and directing this price action? Because right now we got to give it to the sellers still, even though the market is having a fantastic 2-weekly time frame. Okay, so currently what I'm thinking is that the market is just needs to be put on ice. And that's in my opinion. So I'm not going to drop a price prediction in near right now because I'm not getting a true identity as to who wants to move the market. Yes, on a short-term basis, the buyers are. But we are hitting a sell zone now. And then we are close approaching the next sell zone, right? $5. So maybe you could make some money from that standpoint, but all in all, it's not to the point where I feel confident enough to say that, yeah, the market is still bullish in near. Okay, so I'm just going to put this on ice, let the market come back. I mean, we'll come back and periodically see if the market is still bullish. If it is, there'll be more opportunities for us to participate. So that's where I'm at. I don't know where you guys are at. You guys can drop a comment and tell everybody what you guys feel about near. What do you think it's going to go over the next couple of weeks? And we'll see which one is right. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.